Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. We are launching workshop in Bangalore and Mumbai as well as one online workshop. You can check the slide or you can check the description or you can go to workshop.prsundar.com. So this is about the workshop. Now coming back to the market, I always tell, if you can remember, if you keep on hammering a tin many times, it gets more and more weak, and finally one time when you hit, the tin breaks. The same way, the Nifty tried to move 23,600, then fell, again went up, again fell. For 5 trading sessions, Nifty closed between 23,500 and 23,600. If you can remember today morning as well as yesterday evening, I said, when this happens, ultimately markets may break out. And that is what exactly has happened today. But honestly telling you, nobody would have expected the breakout today. Why? Number one, yesterday there was some selling in technology stocks in US. Asian markets were higher but not significantly higher. And European futures were lower. And yesterday, mainly both FII and DII were net sellers. So given this scenario, who would have thought market will break out? And in fact, today it is all the way only the banks. Nifty is up about 180 points. Out of this 180 points, 140 points were contributed by only 3 stocks: HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank. The remaining 40-point contribution came from Reliance and L&T. So otherwise, the majority of the stocks were down, even in Nifty 50. And look at the next 50, look at mid-cap index, look at small-cap index, everything was down. Today is just this handful of stocks that took the market so high. But anyway, as per box theory, now Nifty firmly crossed 23,500 and decisively closed above 23,500. So now the box is 23,500 to 24,000. And 23,500 will be a very good support now. If you can remember, few days before, once when the market broke out, I said, if you are an aggressive trader, you can consider the range as 23,500 to 24,000. However, if you are a conservative trader, you can consider the range as 23,000 to 24,000 broadly. But, for very short term, 2300 to 23,800. And now, even 23,700 is crossed. We still have 2 more trading sessions. And given the fact that, European markets were so much lower and FII DII both were net sellers, this kind of thing was really surprising. But stock market is always about surprises. People are trying to speculate, many reasons. Yesterday, that some economic data came, fiscal deficit was down, and then, today, Om Birla is becoming a speaker, so that shows that, the BJP has the upper hand, so the coalition like Chandrababu Naidu or Nitish Kumar, they are not in a position to demand something big. So, if you can remember, I always say, no matter who rules the country, what stock market wants is a stable government. So, that is being proved again. Though BJP has no majority, but they are in a comfortable position so that the coalition partners are not able to give any pressure to the BJP. So that is why all the ministries, all the top ministries have gone to BJP. If you can remember, despite so much of social media post against Nirmala Sitharaman, if you can remember, I said, if my view about, my guess about Narendra Modi is correct, and Nirmala Sitharaman will be the finance minister. And later again I said, if my guess is correct, then Om Birla will be the speaker. I think now that is going to be the case. So market is sensing that, number one, stable government, and number two, the fiscal deficit is down, and number three, US inflation. Of course, there is an inflation data coming on Friday, but generally it is expected to be lower. So all these go well with the banking stocks. And moreover, banking stocks have been underperforming. So now ICICI Bank, Axis Bank and HDFC Bank, all three has broken out. So as usual, Kotak Bank has been in the same range for the last 5+ years, So there's nothing to talk about Kotak Bank. So all in all, everything is very good and very bullish. And today morning only I told you, don't believe any economists, they are doomsayers. There is still a gang is roaming around in stock market saying Nifty will revisit 12,000, So this is a trend, uptrend, undercurrent is very strong, ride the momentum. So that is the message. So FII data is still not out, because I need to go out. So therefore I'm just shooting the video a little bit earlier. So rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.